Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. Few days ago, I saw a video where some Ahmadi Muslims and non-Ahmadi Muslims were discussing the definition of Muslim. And after spending a lot of time, they were not able to conclude and come through to a definition where they both agree. I was looking at the Quran where Allah said that in chapter 4, verse 150, Allah said the Quran is a manifested proof of your Lord. And then Allah said in chapter 39, verse 24, that Allah has sent down the best discourse, a book, which is Quran. So I wonder why we are looking for a definition of a Muslim outside Quran. And if we just look closely, Allah said in chapter 27, verse 82, مَن يُؤْمِنُ بِآيَاتِنَا فَهُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ. Those who believe in our verses are indeed Muslims. Simple definition. Then Allah has repeated the same in chapter 30, verse 54. مَن يُؤْمِنُ بِآيَاتِنَا فَهُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ. Those who believe in our verses are indeed the Muslims. So this gives a visible and clear proof that who believes on the verses sent down, which is the Quran, and only take the actions or decide between themselves about deen of Allah through only Quranic manifest, which is Allah has sent down, are indeed the Muslims. So why we need more definitions of Muslim? Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.